What is going on, guys? So in the last video you guys see me unwrap it, and now we're gonna wrap it. We're gonna start with the hood and then the whole front end. Actually, I already took, it's always good to prepare your measurements before you start wrapping, that way you have everything. Like I already measured out the hood. I'm gonna do the fenders, and I'm gonna try to do that front bumper. I know people save the bumper for last just because it's the biggest piece, but I don't know. I took down the measurements. I don't know if I'm gonna cut it yet, but I took down the measurements. For right now, I'm gonna do the hood and the fenders. I already have it pre-cut for the hood. Did that off camera, but yeah. Also, guys, you guys want to make sure you guys have a clean surface. I already cleaned it, wiped it down, soap and water, and then you gotta clean it with alcohol. I cleaned the edges around with alcohol just to keep it nice and clean. But yeah, let's get to unwrapping. Not to unwrapping. Let's get to wrapping the wrap.
Do this shit for me, I don't really play no games. I don't like to flex, I keep my money in a safe. I don't mess around, I got too many bills to pay. They out every night, dog, I swear you gon' be late. Told them get away. I don't need you never, that's a promise on my grave. I've been cashing out, but I never catch a case. Did this by myself, I swear my fam gon' be okay. Yeah, they'll be okay. All they do is talk, I don't need them anyways. I just copped a whip, all in cash, that's a wave. I just got a crib, off this shit I'm getting paid. Oh, I came for my check, oh, I came for my racks. Now that I've blown up, seen them all in my texts. Told them all I got next, but I got it right now. Told my dog that I got him, I ain't never let him down. I ain't never let him down, yeah, I got it, that's for life. Oh, I took so many L's, that's what it took to get it right. Oh, I swear I took my time, but I think it's running out. And I hear him still talking, they just do it for the clout. Do this shit for me, I don't really play no games. I don't like to flex, I keep my money in a safe. I don't mess around, I got too many bills to pay. They out every night, dog, I swear you gon' be late. Told them get away. I don't need you never, that's a promise on my grave. I've been cashing out, but I never catch a case. Did this by myself, I swear my fam gon' be okay.
Alright, y'all, so I got the hood done. What you guys think? It's like a purple blue. The sun, when the sun hits it, it looks purple, which is kind of cool. This is more, honestly, if it's the same switch match as the other one. See how it has those blue flakes in it? I also did the eyebrows. I redid the eyebrows in the same color so it matches. Or the eyelids, I mean. This one's more of a subtle. Like the other one was more like a glossy gloss, and this one's more of a subtle. But it looks nice. What's up, y'all? So, I finished up this fender right now. What color though? Sheesh, when the light hits it. Yeah, that was because it's New Year's Eve right now. Yeah. Hey, cool little fireworks show at least. Yeah, I'm gonna call it a night there. Only because it is getting dark and I want to spend time with my wife. Yeah, we got the one fender done, we got the hood done. So tomorrow morning, I'm gonna get this done, and then I'm probably gonna start working on the doors. I'm gonna leave the bumpers to last. I know I said I was gonna work on the bumper, but I'll probably do that till last. So I get the fender done, pretty much everything else done, or fender, roof is main priority. Fender and the roof are the main priorities right now. But yeah, it's coming out nice. I'm loving this color. It's similar to the other one, but it's a little more purple and a lot more blue. You can actually see the blue pop out the light. It's nice. But yeah, call it there. See you guys in the AM. What's going on, y'all? So last clip I did the hood and I did the fender. This morning I got done this fender. It's finished up right now. Right now I'm gonna go inside to get my measuring tapes and take measurements of the roof. To agree to the roof. And then hopefully we'll have time. I'll probably get started on the doors. Doors shouldn't take that long. It's pretty flat. No curves, nothing to deal with. But yeah. What's up, everyone? So I seen the last clip. I got fenders done, hood done. So far all I had done. I also got the roof done. Right now I did take measurements for the doors and the side skirts and the bumper, since I mean not the bumper but the trunk, since I already had measurements for the bumper from the first one. What we do there is just take the height of it, say about 2 feet, and cut it down the middle. So both of them have at least like roughly 2.5 feet on each side. And then the roof is done as well. Yeah, I'm gonna let my heat gun charge a little bit, and then I'm gonna start working on these doors. And then I'm still debating if I should do these in carbon or if I should paint match it with the wrap. But we'll figure that out later. We'll do these last. Yeah, there's the process of it. It's coming along slowly but surely. And the shade, you can't even tell the difference in it until you hit it close to it or you're in the sun. Yeah. Alright, so I'll see you guys in the next clip. What's going on, y'all? Let's go back with a little update. I'm working on the passenger side fender right now. This one I'm gonna do different. I'm gonna do a 2-piece here. This one I was able to do a 1-piece because I took the handle out. That one I got to take out pretty much everything. And today I'll do that. And last time I wrapped it, I did a 2-piece on it. But yeah, this door is done. And I'm just working on this one. I gotta go back inside. My battery died on my heat gun. But this one's almost done. I want to, like, right here, I gotta heat all that to fit it in the mold. And then I should be done with the doors on the passenger side tonight. Hopefully tomorrow I could do the other side. I did take all the measurements already, so everything's already set. What is up, everyone? So today we're working on the driver's side today. I got it all laid out. Well, not laid out. I saw the backing on it. I'm gonna take it off. We ain't get done the C pillar, or B pillar, whatever. The pillar, the doors, and then the gas cap. I haven't taken off the spool yet, so I'm gonna take that off. Well, I'm not gonna take it off. I'm gonna cut around it and then rewrap it once I get everything done, situated. Yeah, this will be the pillars, the doors, plus the fender will be all done, and the roof. Yeah, I did it this way just to save on wrap, just in case I do mess up. I know it's not recommended to do one big piece like this, but I feel like I got it down enough to do it, and it saves me on time. I get things done all at once, then piece by piece. So yeah, let's get this started, guys, and I'll record once I'm done recording, or if my battery dies and I'll gotta go to the camera and go charge it. But yeah, let's get to it. What is going on, everyone? So last video you guys saw, I'm pretty much almost done completely with the car. Got this entire side done. This side's view mirror and side skirts. I'm waiting for that last. But I think this color's coming out pretty dope. Right now I'm gonna be working on this side pillar. I have the wrap cut out. It's inside there. Get that done. I hope to move on to doing the bumpers today as well. I still need to pre-cut the bumpers, but I already have the side skirts pre-cut, and I have the lip pre-cut. Oh, I still need to do the trunk as well. There's just a piece of scrap wrap there, but yeah, it is coming along. Let me do this other side real quick. Yeah, knocked out. Yeah. Let's see how this car comes out. Alright, y'all, so I'm about halfway done. I'm trimming it now to fit it exactly. I stopped here because my gun died on me. So I'm gonna go charge it right quick. Come back and finish cutting up the rest. So this is pretty much done. What's going on, y'all? So last time y'all saw me, I had finished the quarter panel. Right now we are gonna work on the bumper. I have it pre-cut. I have pre-cut the trunk as well, the front bumper, and the side skirts. The only thing left to do on it would be the door handles. That's all that's left on it besides this. Whoa, hold on, give me a second. But yeah, last thing on it would be door handles. I'll leave that to last because it's small pieces. I finished up the gas cap off camera, and I also did the mirrors off camera. So all that's left to do would be, like I said, where's it at? The bumpers, the trunk. The trunk I'm gonna have to take off the wing just to do it. I remember I tried doing it last time. Not the best way of doing it. I tried wrapping around the wing. Did not go as planned whatsoever. Best part would be taking it off the wing and wrapping it that way and then putting the wing back on. Let's finish up this wrap. And if you guys have any questions, go ahead and comment down below. I got good feedback from my last video of unwrapping the car. I appreciate that so much. It means a lot to me. If you keep doing that, liking it up, comment down below, sharing it to your friends, family, pets, animals, whatever you have, share it, please. If it might not be the entertainingest video, but hey, it's something, you know. It's your boy's trying to do something at least. I make these rap videos. Like I said, let's go work on that bumper. What's going on, y'all? So another late night video. Right now I just got redoing this one right here. Car's completely done. I'm just touching up a couple spots. Like for example, the eyelids. I'm about to take this one off right now and redo it. Oh shit. But yeah, car's completely done. And the best point of view since it is dark. I did a lot off camera. But like I said, I do need to retouch this one just a little bit because it started coming back. But other than that, this color came out amazing. I should probably do justice a little bit more. But if not, we'll get some pictures in the morning. What it looks like, it can cooler wash. But yeah, guys, if you guys liked the video, go ahead and leave a thumbs up, comment down below, hit that subscribe button. And like I said already, if you guys haven't, go to Altima, go ahead and follow that on Instagram so you can see more pictures of this beautiful thing. So there is a clip in there. I don't know if y'all noticed it, but I noticed it. There's a piece of like white. What that is just the plastic of the wrap. I didn't take it down and it got stuck in the door jamb. But if you guys like the video, go ahead and leave me a thumbs up. Leave me a comment down below. Make sure y'all subscribe. And yeah, let me know what you guys think of the car, the finished product of it. If you guys want more of these clips, go ahead, like I said, go ahead and follow the Instagram page. Get the Instagram for this car. Go ahead and follow that. Follow us on Instagram, KJ Garage. Go ahead and do that as well. If you need wraps done in the 559 area, let me know. Hit me up. If you need pricing, I could give you a rough estimate. It all does change depending on the vehicle and the color, so it all varies. But like I said, drop me a thumbs up, leave me a comment down below, and subscribe. I'll see you on the next one. Peace.
I'm so gassed up. Why they always stuck on E? Feeling like Jeremiah. Girl, just put it down on me. I just came up in my town, you know they know about me. I got no time for these fake dudes. They say they real, let's see. Give me